I will start by accepting the cookie banner to clear the view. Then, I will click the search input and type Inception as a strong baseline movie to establish the target medium, year, and rating. I will select the first suggestion and click the Guess button to register the first attempt. Type card is red for Inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. The target is a TV series released before 2010. Year 2010 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning 2008-2009, and has an MBD rating higher than 8.8. Rating 8.8 is red with an up arrow. No genres, actors, or directors from Inception overlap. Type card for Inception was red, so target medium equals TV series. The year 2010 was yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target is from 2008 or 2009. The rating 8.8 was red with an up arrow, meaning the target rating is higher than 8.8. Breaking Bad 2008 is a TV series with a 9.5 rating, which fits all these criteria. I solved today's Cinedle in just 2 guesses. After my first guess revealed the target was a highly rated TV series from around 2008, I went with Breaking Bad and hit the jackpot.